time for gas. 91, baby. Today we're gonna do a meet, guys. A meet close by. Hopefully you guys like it. Let's see how it gets. We're just filling up with gas, as you can see. So in case we race or something, there you go. Hopefully you guys like it. I'll see you guys in a bit. Let's go. We're gonna clean the car because it's freaking dirty. And then after that, we're gonna go to a meet here close by. Hopefully it gets pretty cool, you know. And from there, I think they're gonna go race. It's all in Mexico, guys. It's all Mexico. Let's see what we get into tonight. I'll see you guys in a bit. Woo! Damn, but first, guys, don't you guys love some hot fries? I love hot fries. Comment down below what kind of chips you guys like. I love hot fries, guys. Damn, look at this. Something about my car, bro. I like watching. It'll be clean out here. Dirty, dirty. Alright guys, there she is. All cleaned up. Nice. Jeez, look at that shine. Ready to go. I'll see you guys in a bit. We're on the way over there. We're running late. See you in a bit. Woo. Alright, hopefully it's a good meet, guys. Let's see if there's any people. So, hey, nice, bro. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Okay, needs to drive. It's hard. I don't know how you guys could do it. Hey, hard to drive with Chip and then recording. Look at that sunset, guys. Isn't it beautiful? Alright, well, I'll see you guys in a bit. ¿Ese es tuyo? Sí. ¿Qué año es?
Hoy.
¿Ya lo pagaste o no? ¿Ya lo pagaste?
No, pero hace como 2 months que lo agarré.
Yo le quedo agarrando a mi dad.
¿Cómo?
Yo le quedo agarrando a mi jefe.
Neta de... Honestly, you're not gonna regret it.
No?
They're bad at that.
Bad boys, bad boys.
Guys, you guys have to take off now, please. Alright?
Well, we got kicked out, guys. So hopefully till next spot. I'll see you guys over there. Let's go. Woo! All right, guys, we're here at our next location. So you guys can hear it, fucking this madre. Especial de Chipaquilla. There's a baby. Ah, está bien, güey. Dice, fuck it.
Sí, güey.
Oh,
¿Milagro? Pero es que when I did that shit, I got scared because my car was like that. My car was like that too. So I was like, woo! I raced GoPro. I raced GoPro, but like, I didn't buy it. But I'm like, hey, this car's lightweight. You, I beat you too.
Oye, ¿el truck también lo sientes esa madre o qué? ¿El truck sí lo sientes esa madre? ¿Qué te hace atrás de llantas?
It's about that time to eat. Your boy's hungry. I was trying to get some Taco Bell, but nah. Let's get some Whataburger. It's better. A fucking line, man. With all this coronavirus. God damn, man. Oh, yeah, I'm hungry. Want to eat already? What's up, guys? Hopefully you like this little vlog that I made. It wasn't that much long, you know. It was a long time that I haven't gone to a meeting like that. A meeting. It was a long time I haven't gone to a car meet. So it was something pretty cool. I enjoyed it, you know. I saw a couple of friends. Hopefully I get to go to more meets eventually if my work allows it. So hopefully you guys like it. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment down below to see what you guys want to see more. let me know, guys. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Let's go. Woo, peace. Woo.